So I finally made my move and going this direction. The high school's right down there. There's the cemetery I'm right across the street from, and up there's the primary school. And then this is my gate. And you come up in here. Over here is going to be a cooking gas company, propane. They're going to be selling propane. And there's going to be a fence there. So there's the entrance. Okay. And you can see it's very secure. Then up here is a private school, which is hooked to me. All right, so this is going to be the entrance for my business. I mentioned in another video, I'm going to be doing private tutoring. And I can't wait to clean up my banana and plantain trees. I'm very excited. There's a place I can put garden up along the side here. So I'm very excited about that. And so you'll walk into the reception area. And I have a really great landlord after 7 places of living with not so great landlords. Over here, this is an office space with a half a bath. And then over here is another space. I'm actually thinking about maybe turning this into an Airbnb room. And then maybe just keeping my tutoring space here in this area. And then maybe renting this side for a small office to a professional. So what ended up happening, this was a commercial space, but I told the landlord when I came and visited, I was like, look, I could live in this place. It's got storage. And I turned this middle room, so he was gonna split this down the middle, but I turned this middle room into like my sitting room, and he put a really decent kitchen in for me. It's a beautiful sink and counter, so I just respect him so much. And this is my outback where I wash my clothes. And then over here is my sleeping area. So there's 3 entrances and everything's grilled. I feel very safe here. So here's a full bath. So I would do, I'd have to share a bath if I Airbnb this room, which it's no big deal. I would share the bath and I would share the kitchen. So it's a way for me to get things going. So I'll be private tutoring. Right now I set up my office in here and doing like government documents, helping people to apply for their visas, passports, immigration status, maybe resumes, job hunts, maybe they're having land issues, titling paperwork, unfortunately, there's a lot of literacy problems in Jamaica, a lot of people that don't read and write, and they really don't have anyone, looking out for them. They don't have, like in America, there's places and programs and government funding that helps people who can't help themselves. In Jamaica, they don't really have that going on. So I'm going to just try to be charitable and really fair in my pricing and trying to make a go of it. I feel like I'm on a mission from God. I've been trying to do this for 30 years and now I'm here. And in the meantime, I'm having fun driving my Honda, enjoying going to the sea, and I'm excited about getting this up and going, and I hope to create a few jobs for some young Jamaicans, and particularly women, because I really believe in elevating women. So amen and amen.